Hello guys, how are you today? So in this video I'm going to show you my newest Procreate brush set. I absolutely wanted to create this collection, which includes 15 brushes for Procreate, and it's perfect to create these vintage cakes that are super decorated, and I love them. And if you are new to cake design, this may be some good start. I mean, now I know I can bake some new digital cakes. That's the only cake I can bake. Now you can use these brushes to create coloring books, and you will find 3 basic simple cakes that can be decorated with your own additional elements. I don't know, maybe birthday candles or flowers or Canva elements. And of course you can paint directly on Procreate and then edit again with the use of Canva elements if you like it. Okay, now in this case you are seeing me coloring the cow print cake, but it's just an idea that I wanted to include just because the cowgirl trend is on hype right now. However, you can do your own animal print cake because you have 3 basic cakes that you can decorate, but regardless, you can decorate each one of them. Basically, I'd love to have a cheetah cake. I haven't done that yet, but I think I'm gonna do it soon. Also, I want to create a set of stickers for each individual horoscope sign and offer them as a Cricut kind of craft, which I would love to do that, really. Okay, now in this case you see that I am using a pre-made text that I found on Canva. It's a happy birthday pre-made text because I am absolutely unable to do any kind of lettering things, and I pretty much downloaded in a PNG format, and I have adjusted the perspective on the cake. I am giving also some light effect, some bling effect on the cake because I really like it. I pretty much like glitter everywhere. And this is it. You can find this brush set on Creative Fabrica and on my Etsy in a special price. Thank you.